Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Keep your synthetic lawn fresh, odor-free, and visually stunning with smart maintenance solutions designed for everyday homeowners and professionals who value cleanliness and durability. Best artificial grass cleaner options help remove pet odors and stains while protecting fibers, restoring freshness. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Simple Eliminator Grass Cleaner. The Simple Eliminator Grass Cleaner is an effective solution for tackling unpleasant pet odors outdoors. Designed to quickly remove smells from urine, stool, vomit, and other organic matter, it works on a wide variety of surfaces, including natural grass, artificial turf, gravel, concrete, and brick. What makes this cleaner stand out is its use of natural enzymes, which attack odors at the source rather than simply masking them with fragrances. It's completely safe to use around pets, giving pet owners peace of mind while maintaining a clean and fresh yard. Beyond lawns, it's ideal for patios, decks, dog runs, and other outdoor areas that may be exposed to pet waste. Regular use keeps outdoor spaces sanitary and odor-free, reducing the risk of lingering smells that can attract insects or create discomfort. Overall, Simple Eliminator is a reliable and pet-safe choice for any home with dogs. Number 2. Paws Turf Grass Cleaner. Paws Turf Grass Cleaner is a versatile and pet-safe solution for maintaining artificial grass in outdoor spaces free of odors. Specially formulated to break down pet urine and odor-causing buildup, it ensures that areas like dog potty spots, patios, kennels, and fake grass carpets stay fresh and clean. The application is simple. Just spray on the surface and rinse thoroughly with water. Its formula is gentle on pets and prevents damage to turf, helping maintain the appearance and quality of artificial grass over time. In addition to controlling odors, Paws Turf Grass Cleaner helps prevent matting, discoloration, and buildup caused by regular pet use. Its multi-surface capability allows it to work on a variety of outdoor areas, making it a practical choice for pet owners with both real and artificial grass. This cleaner combines convenience, safety, and efficiency for odor-free outdoor living.
Number 3. TurFresh Grass Cleaner. TurFresh Grass Cleaner offers a complete solution for pet owners looking to eliminate outdoor odors effectively. The kit includes a gallon of BioS Plus enzyme concentrate, a 32-ounce bottle, and a BioSiphon hose end sprayer, making it easy to apply across lawns, artificial grass, patios, gravel, and kennels. Its active enzymes break down the source of odors, including urine and feces, rather than merely masking the smell, ensuring long-lasting freshness. Safe for children, pets, and plants, this plant-based formula won't burn grass or leave sticky residues. The product works best when applied every 2 to 4 weeks or more frequently in high-traffic areas, and enzymes are activated by light moisture, though heavy rain may reduce effectiveness. TurFresh combines powerful odor elimination with environmentally friendly ingredients, providing a dependable, safe, and easy-to-use solution for keeping yards, dog runs, and outdoor areas clean and odor-free.
Number 4. EcoStrong Grass Cleaner. EcoStrong Grass Cleaner is a professional-strength, chemical-free outdoor deodorizer that effectively eliminates pet odors while leaving a refreshing eucalyptus scent behind. It works on a wide range of surfaces, including grass, artificial turf, rock, dirt, fences, wooden decks, and concrete, making it extremely versatile for any outdoor space. Its bioenzymatic formula attacks odor at the source, breaking down pet waste without leaving harmful residues or chemicals. The solution is safe for both pets and people, allowing you to use it confidently around dogs, children, and barefoot areas. EcoStrong is ideal for homeowners and pet owners who want a natural and powerful odor solution without compromising safety or environmental standards. Regular use ensures that your yard, patio, or outdoor deck remains clean, odor-free, and inviting, even in areas with heavy pet traffic.
Number 5. Stuart Pet Grass Cleaner. Stuart Pet Grass Cleaner is designed to neutralize outdoor pet odors quickly and effectively.
Its enzyme-powered formula targets dog urine, feces, and other organic matter, breaking down odors at the source rather than masking them. Safe for both natural and artificial grass, it works well on patios, decks, kennels, mulch beds, and dog runs, providing a versatile cleaning solution for various outdoor areas. The product is easy to use. Simply refill a ready-to-use garden hose bottle or a pump-up sprayer for convenient application. Its scientifically formulated enzymes ensure long-lasting results and prevent lingering odors, making it an ideal choice for pet owners with active dogs. By maintaining clean and fresh outdoor spaces, Stuart Pet Grass Cleaner helps reduce unpleasant smells while keeping pets, children, and guests safe and comfortable around treated areas.
Choosing the right cleaner ensures your artificial grass stays hygienic, vibrant, and comfortable year-round. With proper care and regular maintenance, you can extend its lifespan, prevent stubborn odors, and enjoy a fresh outdoor space that always looks inviting, clean, and ready for family, pets, and guests.